Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying the crypto bull market. Hit the thumbs up button, let's get to over 500 likes, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Guys, Bitcoin is very close to $16,000. It is currently sitting at $15,821. I'm hoping by the end of today, at least, we can cross over $16,000. The market's looking very good here. A lot of green across the board. And, if Bitcoin crosses 16, that means we're only $4,000 away from $20,000, which is the old all-time high. And I believe once we cross $20,000, the mass FOMO will kick in again. You're going to see more guests on CNBC, Fast Money, and Fox Business talking about Bitcoin, and expect to see probably some more aggressive marketing to the populace, right? So I'm very excited by this, very bullish on this. And as always, we've been following the macro level charts, not the daily, not the weekly, not even the monthly. Rather, what cycle of the market are we in? And we are in a bull market. And here, another piece of data, Bitcoin monthly RSI, relative strength index, is greater than 70. And the momentum is building. So if you look historically at the bull markets, you'll see, as color-coded here, we're in that red phase, and then we go to the orange, and then to the yellow, and so on and so forth. So it is looking very, very bullish. And we are expecting new all-time highs, of course. We'll see how high the price goes, and we know Bitcoin moves the market, so alts are going to follow. So I'm certainly looking at Ethereum as well, because the Ethereum 2.0 proof of stake is about to launch, guys. And there's been $22.5 million in deposits put under contract there. So after going live last week, the deposit contract for Ethereum's 2.0 upgrade now holds over 50,000 ETH, 10% of the threshold needed to activate the watershed update. So this is going to lock up a lot of Ethereum, and I think it's going to affect the price significantly. That's why I have it in my portfolio. I've been buying the dips where I can, not financial advice, of course. So very, very bullish, guys. This could be a big catalyst to help drive the bull market into a parabolic run-up. But we'll have to wait and see, right? There are no certainties, but this could be a high probability of being a significant catalyst. So guys, some very bullish news coming out from the government. Cynthia Lummis, we talked about her. She's a conservative Republican. This is not a political video. We're just stating the facts. And she just won a Senate seat, right? Coming out of Wyoming, one of the most crypto-friendly states in the U.S. Well, guys, check this out. She tweeted the following: "They don't call it a hard-earned dollar for nothing. I want sound money that protects the value of every working American's time, sweat, and effort. That's why I'm excited about Bitcoin." She has owned Bitcoin since 2013. And look at this. There's an article on the NASDAQ here, right? And look at the title: Bitcoin Embracing Congresswoman Wins Wyoming Senate Race. Guys, you see what's happening here? You got the Wall Streeter, the hedge fund managers, the millionaires, the billionaires, and people in government. And it's not just Republican, it's bipartisan. We've seen Warren Davidson, a Republican. We've seen Darren Soto, a Democrat. So we're seeing bipartisan support, guys, across the aisle here for crypto. And this is so bullish, right? We know more regulations need to come. And if these people are advocating for Bitcoin and crypto, the average Joe and Jane or Jill, whichever you want to call them, that's going to make them trust the asset class more and start investing in it, right? And then you have PayPal building one of the biggest on-ramps. So it's all coming together, all the puzzle pieces, guys. And wait till Apple Pay, Google Pay, and all these others jump in. It's going to be amazing. That's why the idea of a $100,000 Bitcoin is not far-fetched, and even a $5,000 Ethereum price or a $15 XRP price is not far-fetched. And remember what we talked about yesterday? Ripple's buying up a lot of the XRP on the open market now, so that's going to affect the price for sure. They're trying to do some new things with their ODL in leasing XRP and so forth, so they're building up their internal stockpile, right, by buying off the open market, guys. So these are things you need to be cognizant of and be prepared and understand the effect it's going to have on prices. As I stated just for Ethereum, a lot of ETH going to be locked up in the staking, right? So remember, you need 32 to stake. So just keep that in mind. And like I said, guys, sit back and watch the money, watch the price go up, and get ready to cash out at your respective price points. Guys, this is Bullish, world's second biggest bank to issue $3 billion in bonds tradable for Bitcoin. Banks, stock exchange, governments, everybody's getting in, because you better get in or you will become irrelevant and die, right? As always, you have to adapt to the situation around you. China Construction Bank, CCB, has tapped Hong Kong-based digital asset exchange Fusang for the issuance of $3 billion worth of debt securities over a blockchain. According to a Wednesday report by South China Morning Post, tokenized bond certificates will be issued through the state-owned bank's Labuan, Malaysia branch over a period of 3 months. Notably, the digital securities will be exchangeable for Bitcoin on the Fusang exchange as well as US dollars. Trading is slated to commence this Friday. Talk about adoption. Listen to this. Exchangeable for Bitcoin as well as US dollars. I mean, if you really sit down and think about what is happening here, this is amazing. This is amazing, guys. I don't even have the words to describe how big this is. And when you have these banks involved and they're putting Bitcoin as an option, exchangeable for Bitcoin, or if you want the US dollar. That's pretty amazing, guys. That's pretty amazing. And speaking of big, we know Andreessen Horowitz. I mean, they've invested in some of the biggest companies, very successful in the dot-com era. Some of the smartest people, right? They've invested in Coinbase, Ripple, and many others. Well, here, their backed deal launches crypto payroll tool. So another infrastructure item. You have your tax, you have your payroll, you have your tax-free investing, all kinds of things that are being built out just like the traditional financial markets. So a payroll platform which has drawn in $44 million in venture capital funding during the pandemic has unveiled a new tool to allow remote workers to be paid in cryptocurrency. Deal, which supports remote workforces with payroll and compliance, says the new tool will enable international workers to be paid in Bitcoin, Ether, or XRP with near instant withdrawals. See, guys? See what's happening here? The alternative now being put in front of people's faces. Okay, you want US dollars, just like this bank is saying? Yeah, you can exchange it in US dollars. But guess what? You can also do it in Bitcoin if you choose. And likewise, you want to be paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP? Sure. See what's happening, guys? This is just big. So the San Francisco-based startup has partnered with Coinbase to deliver the product. Employees will need a Coinbase account to use it. Very smart move here by them from a business standpoint. So, guys, like I said, I'm just going to sit back, buy the dips where I can, put my feet up and watch the prices go up. Yes, there will be corrections along the way. Yes, there will be dumps and 20% drops, but I've lived through other bull markets and I'm not, I see the same pattern repeating again. And the last time I wasn't a true believer, I started buying some, but I didn't buy enough at the lows, and I still kick myself for doing that. But I'm not missing this time around, guys. As always, I'm here to make money, and I'm looking for what will make me a great return on my investment. Obviously, I disclose I diversify. I hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Chainlink, and others. But guys, everything is pretty much going to rise with Bitcoin at this point. So, like I said, be prepared with your cash out plan, and let's just watch all these people capitulate and come into the crypto market. So, guys, I would love to hear what you guys think. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Do you think Bitcoin could cross $16,000 by the end of today? Let me know. Hit the thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you all later.